What an interesting year we've had so far. Coronavirus, economy, inflation, deflation, shutdowns, so many different things are happening. Here are the top 6 financial decisions you can make right now. You don't want to miss these because once they're gone, they're gone. Here we go. Number 1 is perfecting your budget and yearly spending plan. If you're not already super organized, today is the day you start getting super organized. The only way you can really get good financially, the only way you can get into a way better position, financially speaking, is getting very, very organized. The good news is I've created a budget template that you can use for absolutely free. Go to my website, maxmymoney.org/budget. Go there. You're going to be met with a landing page. Type in your first name, type in your email, and I will email you over a budget template. Here it is. It gives a ton of good information on what a budget should be, what a budget should not be. You can type in all of your information here. It all populates, makes it really simple. All the math is done for you. You just type in your income, all sorts of different things, auto insurance, internet, cable, all these different things that go around with the budget. And then it goes. The most important thing here is the expense tracker. You want to track your expenses so you know where the money is going. Again, you want to make sure you are super, super organized. That's truly one of the best financial decisions I ever made, and the best decisions you can make. I would definitely do that right now. maxmymoney.org/budget. Go to it. Second thing you can do is buy an alternative asset. I personally have bought gold, silver, and the reason I like those precious metals is because they are real money. Robert Kiyosaki talks about this. The money you have in your wallet right now, it's fake money. It is fiat money. They can print money over and over again. That's what they've done, trillions of dollars since 2019. So what you want to do as much as possible is get away from that failing dollar because it's not going to be here forever. So gold and silver are a good alternative. The awesome thing about gold and silver is they both have industrial purposes, which means silver is most likely going to go up because solar panels and all sorts of different batteries and such need a lot of silver to survive. So I only see silver going upside. I'm putting a lot of money into it because I really do like it. And then of course, people's money, which is Bitcoin. I really only invest cryptocurrency wise into Bitcoin because Bitcoin, you cannot create more of. All these other little coins, the altcoins, you can make more of. It's simple supply and demand. As the supply increases, the demand goes down and the price goes down. Not good. Buy something physical you can trade. Alcohol, guns, ammunition, things you can store, non-perishable foods, canned foods, all these things. You can't trade fiat dollars. They don't mean anything. They don't mean those dollar bills mean absolutely nothing. Number 3 is preparing some cash for deals at our hand. When things go bad, things go south financially speaking, that's when the best deals are. People always say, only buy things that are on sale. Well, what if I told you the house you want to buy is going to be 20% off in a couple years? Then you should probably start preparing by putting a little cash aside, ready to rock and roll. But then it's a double-edged sword because if you want your money to keep on growing, you need to put it in investment vehicles that have a return on investment, and cash does not have any return. But there's also the fact of the matter that there may be deflation. Deflation means your cash actually starts having higher purchasing power. Whether it's be inflation or deflation, I'm not sure, but I'm preparing for both accordingly. And the only way you can be ready for those deals is when you have that cash ready to go today. Number 4 is reading alternative viewpoint. If you watch any cable news, if you're reading any main news outlet, and I say main as in corporate news outlet, you know who they are, the big huge names. They have a vested interest in telling you a lie. They may not doing it unintentionally, but they want to keep on telling you everything's going to keep on going higher and higher and higher. Because guess who the biggest sponsorships are? Stock brokerages, banks, investment banks, anybody who wants the economy to keep on going forward, and they just want your money. And I don't mean the economy going forward as in we keep on making progress. I mean the stock market and everything keeps on going higher bubble-wise. There's a bubble, and once that bubble hits a certain peak, all the smart people go out of the market and all the idiots go inside the market. So when everyone's excited about how good stocks are doing, that's when I really think, things may not be as good as they think they are. Jim Rickards, Robert Kiyosaki, there are so many other authors. If you just type in alternative viewpoint to Wall Street, you will find a lot of people who despise Wall Street because Wall Street is all about what they can do to line their pockets, the big institutional investors, and screw Main Street. Invest in yourself. I want you to do something. Look in the mirror and ask yourself, am I proud about the life I'm living right now in regards to finances, physical health, mental health, spiritual health, however you break it down, you have to figure out, are you living a life that you're proud of? And if the answer is no, figure out how you can start improving whatever it is, your physical, mental, spiritual, all those different types of health that are all really important. Because in reality, they're all interconnected as much as we don't want to believe that. It's really hard to compartmentalize. It's impossible to compartmentalize. So whether that's getting a trainer and going to the gym, whether that's changing your diet, whether that's going to a therapist, whether that's reading books, you need to figure out what's right for you. But look in yourself. You want to be able to look in the mirror and say, I am proud about every single day of my life, and I'm excited to go about my life. Until you get to that point, you got to keep on improving. And even when you get there, keep on improving because life can always be a little bit better. And And number 6, it's not really a financial thing. I understand that, but call your mother. Call someone close to you. Go hang out with a friend. What I've learned about the last couple of years is human connection is what we thrive on. We don't thrive on being on computers. We don't thrive on playing games. We don't thrive, video games. We don't thrive on being in front of these screens all the time. It's so much better, and life is so much sweeter when you're around people who you love and they love you. Your mother, your grandmother, your father, sibling, good friend, go connect with somebody. Do it today. Send them a text, call them right now. All right, those are the top financial decisions I am making today. I've done all 6 of those. Definitely all of them. I should call my mom, so I think I'm going to do that right now. See you guys.